Finding the first missing positive. First missing positive we need to find. Like for example, we have an array of values 0, 5, 3, 2, 4. Then we need to find which of the following positive number first missing positive is missing. Which is the first missing positive. So in this, the first missing positive is 1. 1 is the first missing positive in this. So how can we do this in a program way? So for doing this in efficient way, we can take a set. In set we will store the values from the array first to the last. As we know, set does not contain any duplicates. These values all will be inserted into it, like 0, 5, 3, 2 and 4. This is the set values containing all things which are from the array. So now we will take a for loop. So no, we can't take a for loop because we don't know where to stop or where to stop and when to find. We don't know exactly where the first missing positive number is present. First positive is present, we don't know. So that's why we will use a while loop here. In the while loop, we will keep true in it and initialize a variable answer as 1. Like what we are saying is the first positive number will be starting from the 1. So we will start our answer with 1, and in the while loop we will check if set dot contains of value answer is not present. When this becomes false, we need to sys out the answer which is the first missing value, and we need to return here. Or else what we can do, we can increment our answer. We can increment our answer in the while loop, and after this is the condition where our value will be got for us. So after getting, we will return, we will print the value here as 1. So 1 is the first missing positive in this. So we will try to do this in code also. What I said. You need to first import the util package because you need to use the, the asset which is from collections. So the value we will store in asset is integer. And what we will do here, we will have an integer array, which is my keyboard is not working correctly. So if you see in this, what is the first missing positive number in here? 0, 1 is present. 2 is the thing which is not, which is the missing one. So what we can do, first we need to add all these values into where we'll also take minus values also into it. We need to iterate through the array, and we need to write the code. We need to get the values of array which is having greater than 0, and we need to add into the set. So the values which are greater than 0 are only added to the set in this. So if our set is this, the values which will be added in it will be which are greater than 0. What are the values greater than 0 here? 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Which is the value is missing here? The value which is missing here is 2. So we need to return 2 as the first positive integer missing. So for that, first we will take a for loop and add all the values which are greater than 0 to the set. So I will take a for loop and I will iterate through the length of the array, and I will check if array of I is greater than 0, then I will add that into set. Then what I can do, I can take a while loop here because I don't know where we need to stop, because we don't know where the missing integer is present. So what we can do, we can take while as true for making a infinite loop here, and we will take an answer as from as initial because the positive number will be start from 1. Then check if the set dot contents of answer is, the set does not contain, then I will print the integer which is missing. We need to return, because if we don't return, it will go into infinite loop and it will again print from the values which are not present, like 2 will be printed, and after that 4 will also, 5 also prints, 6, 7, 8. It will go into a loop. So if we check here, what is the value we need to get? We need to get the value of as 2. So the value we got is 2. So as I said, if I remove this, we will get an infinite loop of checking. It will, from starting from 2, it will give all the values which are missing in the set. So which is like, which is count, which it will count everything in it. So For an infinity loops like while of true, when we use these type of things, we also need to have a condition where we need to break that loop, because if you don't break that loop, the execution can't stop and we can't find the answer correctly. So this is about the